She's caught her a piranha and she's holding him up. And there he
Caroline, kiss the piranha, kiss it.
Okay.
Caroline, piranhas are attracted by red color lips.
That's so funny.
Very nice.
Okay, here's my piranha that I caught this morning.
Wow, that's a nice piranha.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Give her a kiss, Okay. You got it.
Okay, Carolyn has caught a second piranha. And here he is.
I'm sorry you have that hook and through your mouth.
He's jumping around some now.
Yeah. Oh. He's trying to get the bait.
I don't think he's worried about that right now.
They're doing quite well, these fish.
Yeah.
I know you are a very kind girl.
No wonder they're so fat.
Feeding.
Okay, Carolyn has caught a third piranha. And here she's holding him.
Okay, so come here where I am.
No. This one very.
That's her third one.
Is it a big log?
Yeah.
There's a little
Okay. Okay, now Carolyn has caught a fourth piranha, and this is a big one.
The biggest of the group.
The biggest of the group. And there it is.
I will show you the teeth.
Oh, yeah.
Show your teeth, Leggy.
Okay, now here's the teeth on this piranha.
Micron, take a nice picture.
Just of his teeth.
Yeah.
So there are the teeth.
Okay, piranha. Piranha is a Guarani word. Guarani. Just one.
This is a white piranha.
Really? This one's ferocious.
Ferocious.
White piranha, very ferocious.
Ferocious, yeah.
And this is Carolyn's fifth catch. She's doing really well.
Very nice. Oh wow, that's nice, Jim.
Good.
Very good, Caroline. What a big piranha you caught. Okay, Kissy the piranha. Not too close, please. Okay.
Especially that guy.
Very good.
A big one.
What? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Now this is another piranha that I just caught. And I think he's either
Red belly
3
piranha.
or 4 that I have caught. He's nice.
Yeah, it is nice.